Motor mounts are a common replacement item on Jeep 2.5-liter and 4-liter engines in Wranglers and Cherokees. Inspect the mounts regularly. This is a common wear found on mounts. This driver's side mount at left is an extreme. The engine and transmission mounting system is 3-point, with a transmission mount above a crossmember. The two motor mounts are at each side of the inline 6-cylinder engine. Lifting the engine with a floor jack and a block of wood beneath the oil pan raises the engine up straight, which makes it imbalanced when supported by just the transmission mount. This also places a heavy load on the oil pan and can distort the pan or damage the pan gasket. The side engine motor mounts are relatively accessible. The issue is to raise the engine up to free the mounts from their brackets. Raising the engine from one side at a time, although it seems practical, can cause parts like the exhaust system to bind. The best approach is to lift the engine straight up at the front without binding or excessive lifting. At the same time, the engine must be kept from tilting sideways. This is a technique that has worked best for us. A common engine support brace, ours happens to be from Harbor Freight, supports engines during service work like a transmission removal. This support bar has a rating of 1,000 pounds. Rubber pads protect the fender ledges. The wing-handled adjusters with grips provide enough leverage for lifting the engine. Lift can be uniform and straight up, or slightly to one side as necessary. One chain and hook cradles the air conditioning compressor carefully. The compressor is far enough out from the center line of the engine to maintain balance, as is the intake manifold. The chain is carefully wrapped around the front of the manifold in a way that it does not interfere with the fuel line to the fuel injection system. This is a controlled and stable way to raise and lower the engine. Be certain to watch the fan to radiator clearance.